Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024-2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing. In the fiercely competitive market of small sports sedans, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing stands out as a formidable force, combining breathtaking performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As the flagship model of Cadillac's V-Series lineup, the CT5-V Blackwing is designed to deliver an unparalleled driving experience that excites enthusiasts and sets new standards in its class. At the heart of the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing lies a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, producing a staggering 668 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque. This power is harnessed through a standard 6-speed manual transmission, with an optional 10-speed automatic transmission available for those seeking a different driving experience. The CT5-V Blackwing's rear-wheel drive setup, combined with its powerful engine, propels the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, making it one of the quickest sedans in its segment. However, the CT5-V Blackwing is not solely about raw power. It's engineered to deliver exceptional handling and agility. Cadillac's engineers have meticulously tuned the suspension, chassis, and steering to provide precise and responsive handling, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves. Magnetic Ride Control 4.0 and an electronic limited-slip rear differential enhance the car's dynamic performance, ensuring an engaging and exhilarating driving experience whether on city streets or winding mountain roads. In terms of design, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing exudes an air of sophistication and aggression. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior is highlighted by bold lines, a distinctive mesh grille, and LED headlights, all of which contribute to its commanding presence on the road. The CT5-V Blackwing's sporty aesthetics are further enhanced by 19-inch alloy wheels, carbon fiber accents, and quad exhaust outlets. Inside the cabin, the CT5-V Blackwing offers a luxurious and driver-focused environment. High-quality materials such as leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and Alcantara accents create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Cadillac's latest infotainment system, a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, and a premium AKG sound system provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Performance-focused touches, including a suede microfiber-wrapped steering wheel and performance seats, further enhance the driving experience. Furthermore, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing sets a new benchmark for performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the CT5-V Blackwing offers a thrilling driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Whether cruising on the highway or tackling twisty backroads, the CT5-V Blackwing promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.